Hi guys, I've got some good news to tell you. Master Coach Tony Morgan has come across this new and exciting green electric storage boiler called the ZEB by Tepeo, and it's made right here in the UK. Now, I'm going to give you a quick tour and explain how this ZEB green electric storage boiler works. The ZEB is powered by electricity from the grid. Then charging starts to store heat. Once charged, the ZEB is ready to start delivering heat. Heat is then taken from the core, which travels through the heat exchanger via the heating pump into the primary circuit. The ZEB can be powered by off-peak electricity from the grid. In the off-peak period, charging starts to store heat. The stored heat can be used on demand to heat the hot water cylinder for hot water. And to supply heat when the room thermostat turns on to the radiators and underfloor heating. Charging starts again automatically. So Master Coach Tony Morgan has done the free training himself. He was very impressed how informative the training was, plus the opportunities it has given him.
Yeah, I thought the training was absolutely brilliant, did it online, first class.
When you complete this training yourself, you will have a better understanding of green electric storage boilers in terms of installation and future repairs. So if you want to increase your knowledge in this field, you can either do the training online or in person. So just click on the link below this video. If you're watching this on Facebook or WhatsApp, you must click through to YouTube and go to the description section and click on the link.